Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry, and today we're going to be making a salsa verde cremosa, guys, okay? So we're going to need 8 chile jalapenos, 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. And we're also going to need some oil at the end, okay? So we're going to go ahead and start this. We're going to put in our chiles. Okay, gonna add our garlic, our water, and our dry ingredients. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and close this, put it on medium for a little bit, and just get it kind of going, and then we're gonna stick it to soup 1. And there you go. So now we're gonna go soup 1. Let it cook. Then towards the end, we're gonna put in some oil. Okay, guys. All right, guys. This thing is done. We're gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna add half a cup of oil. Okay. And now we're gonna close the lid back up. Close the lid back up, and we're gonna go ahead and put blend. All right, and the salsa's done, guys. Ready to serve. Check it out. Alright guys, you can see it changed colors to a lighter green. Okay, check this out. Bam! Alright guys, let's go ahead and give this a try. It's really good, guys. It's a lot spicier than the other salsas because obviously this one didn't have any tomatoes or anything like that, but it's really good. It has a really good flavor, real good kick. It's real creamy. It's awesome. It'll go good with tacos, tostadas, anything really. Really good, guys. I recommend it. So please guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys can handle this heat. It is really spicy. And remember, only the strong subscribe.